हॅलो.
हॅलो.
या.
तर चेतन उलयता म्हापसाच्याकून.
चेतन विचार.
म्हाका न्ही 10 वर्सां तकले पुळो येता आनी तोंडाक पुळो येता. आनी ताका तरी तुजे सगळे डॉक्टरांक मेळोन म्हापशेचो मेळपाक जालो मडगांवचो डॉक्टरांक मेळ्ळो. जितले टॅबलेटी घेता तितले 8 दिसूच म्हाका ते टॅबलेटी घेतकूच 8 दिसूच म्हाका बरें दिसता आनी मागीर परत्यो पुळो परत्यो येता.
नाही पण पुळी येता मागीर खाज येता भितरल्यान पिंपल्स कशे येता काय?
पिंपल्स कशे येता तोंडाक. विमी मोदी आसता. ताका वखदां खूब केली हांवें.
आय सी. ओके.
सध्या लेटेस्ट घेता डॉक्सी वार एलडीआर घेता. आणि तकलेक लायता क्रीम लायता तेव्हा कॅन्डिड बी क्रीम लोशन लायतालो.
कॅन्डिड बी.
कॅन्डिड बी लोशन.
पण ते लावन तुझे कमी जाता?
टेम्पररी कमी जाता.
कॅन्डिड बी लावन?
कॅन्डिड बी लोशन म्हणून लायता.
लोशन कळ्ळें म्हाका.
ओके. आणि आता परत म्हाका म्हापशाच्या डॉक्टरान टी बॅक्ट म्हणून दिल्या. आणि तरेतरेचे क्रीम तितले परतच यूज जाता म्हाका ते टॅबलेटीचे वखद ते.
बरें हरशी तूं काम कितें करता?
गोल्डस्मिथ.
गोल्डस्मिथ. ओके. आणि म्हणजे तुका ते हिटा खातीर किंवा अशें म्हणजे यू आर वर्किंग विथ दिस थिंग?
त्या खातीर न्ही ते पयलींच्यान म्हाका चालू आसा 10-12 वर्सां जाले चालू.
अच्छा. He is getting a lot of something like pimples on the face as well as on the head, small boils like. He has been already given doxycycline. When he is taking the tablets treatment, he feels better. Again, it keeps on reappearing.
Yeah, as I have already told now, there are 3-4 grades of pimples.
Yeah.
Like first we treat with face washes and creams.
Yeah.
Second we treat with these antibiotics and creams and all that.
Yeah.
Thirdly, if it is very severe or even after repeated courses of antibiotics coming again and again, then there is one special drug which can be given, which reduces the size of the oil glands. Oil glands का size कम कर देगी और that he has to take for around 3 to 6 months. Complete course has to be taken. That will cure his condition permanently. Otherwise, ये doxycycline खाता रहेगा, ठीक होता रहेगा फिर.
And he will keep on changing one doctor to another. I think you have given a very good solution. I'm sure Chetan will be benefited by this advice when he has spent not a single except some rupees just for a call. Anyway, thank you. That's the purpose of this program. Hello. Okay. I wanted to ask you one more thing. These days there are a lot of though it is not out of jealousy that I don't have hair and people who have hair, I am not jealous of them. But what they do a lot of this coloring or that streaks and all this, whether boys, girls, and all different colors, rainbow colors, where some people make the hair pointed and whether some people make it straight. How you would like to address this? It means I'm not saying it is good. Means what should be the care taken? Because since it is now, see, as you rightly said, whether you say or you don't say, people are going to do it. But at least some judicious use or how to go ahead with it.
One is they should go to a proper reputed parlor for all these. Number one. Number two, these are all hair cosmetics. They cause this breakage of the hair in the hair shaft, not the root. So अगर आप hair fall के causes में देखो तो 80% causes are due to the this breakage at the root, and 20% is due to the hair fall in the shaft. So ये जो hair cosmetics, if we use it injudiciously or excessively or like that, then it can lead to hair fall also. So proper should be, and this frequency can be reduced. But मैं कह रही हूँ, but आप सोचो females if they go with grey hair, then this is not possible.
I'm not saying only grey hair. Even those who have got black hair also, they want to do color. In fact, it is very surprising that people who have got black hair, they want to make it little on a greyish side. Whereas those people who have got grey hair, they want to make it black.
Straightening of hairs and curling of hair. That
curling of hair.
That will continue.
Okay. We have got one question. Hello.
Hello, Dotor.
Yeah.
हांव सांताक्रूज सोडया उलयतां एंटनी.
एंटनी विचार.
कितें आहा दोतोर, आतां केंसांक न्हू आमी चेड्यांक कितें माथ्याक तेल खंयचें लावपाचें, घरांतलें खोबरें तेल लायलें न्हू जाल्यार केंस बरें जालें, ते चिपचिपी जाता, तेल बरें लायक जायना आमकां. गमलें तुका, बरें तेल जाय. आतां ती बाजारांत मेळटा ती सगळीं चेडवांचीं तेलां, ती चेड्याचें हें जायना न्हू, तेजो वास येता तो चेडवांचो. गमलें तुका, एक specify mention the pharmacy also adu येता.
Okay, Anthony Bob, ते बड़ा interesting question विचारलो. He has asked very important question. He is saying that lot of hair oils are available in the market, but according to they have the fragrance of the females. Maybe that nowadays he must have seen ads with the fairness cream for the males, so he must be also demanding for a hair oil only exclusive for the males. That's what. So he's asking, what is your advice? Because he is not much comfortable with the coconut oil which he uses, or perhaps people use at large. So what you would like to recommend him? That's what he is.
He can use olive oil, na, plain olive oil. That doesn't have any fragrance.
अच्छा.
Plain.
सो
That is very good.
अँथनी
That is
बाब
very good.
हे ऑलिव्ह ऑइल जर तुम्ही लायलाय मातशें म्हारग आसा पण दुसरें म्हणजे मातशें म्हारग म्हणजे खर्च करून तुमकां मातशें यू विल फील दॅट येस दिस स्मेल्स लायक अ मॅन. आणि दुसरें म्हणजे दो इट डजंट स्मेल एनीथिंग आणि दुसरें म्हणजे ताका चलयांचो वास येना खंय. सो आय एम शुअर दॅट दिस ऑलिव्ह ऑइल विल अ गुड जॉब फॉर यू and it will help you.
And one thing I want to add,
Yeah.
I've seen 2-3 patients in my practice,
Yeah.
like for hair fall or baldness, they used one Ayurvedic hair oil.
Yeah.
Or next day they came to my OPD with all swelling and crusting and oozing. Swelling, crusting means swelling हुई पड़ी थी, पूरा fluid and pus was oozing out
Oh.
from the scalp.
I see.
So मुझे उसको IV steroids and all that दे के settle करना पड़ा. He remained in the hospital for 2-3 days.
अच्छा.
So I am against all these fragrance things and all that.
Yeah. But I'm just adding, there are some doctors, if you go to them and say, अरे तुम्हारे तेल से ऐसा हो गया, अरे क्यों गया तू डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट के पास, एक 8 दिन में अंदर से हेयर आना शुरू हो जाता है.
नहीं, ऐसा कोई हेयर ऑयल नहीं.
So I'm sure that don't be over optimistic, and whatever you are using, do with proper consultation. Don't just, as you have rightly said, then just because that man has used and so I'm using, or this particular hero is using, so I'm using. That is a very bad.
People think that herbal things are there, so they will not cause allergy.
Absolutely.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Absolutely, man. I'm very happy. एक सगळ्या लोकांचो चुकीचो समज असा की हर्बल ऑइल किंवा एनिथिंग आयुर्वेदिक म्हणजे सेफ. हो सामको चुकीचो समज. प्लीज 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 मेक इट अ नोट. मॅडमीन सांगला त्या प्रमाणे खंयचोच असो पदार्थ ना की जाची एलर्जी जावं शकना, जाचे रिएक्शन जावं शकना. म्हणजे एज माय टीचर इन डर्मेटोलॉजी से that anything under the sun and by including sun so can cause allergy. ना ते आयुर्वेदिक म्हणजे सेफ. हो सामको चुकीचो समज असा तो मनातल्यान काढून उडयात. So whenever you feel that you have to consult a good dermatologist, please take a proper opinion and go accordingly. Don't just go by the reading the magazines or looking at the TV and all this, or by a brand saying that Ayurvedic medicine. So it doesn't mean that it's safe. My sir, doctor, hello.
Yeah, one more thing.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Vichar.
Yeah, hello, doctor. I am Joyce calling from Aldon, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got some brown patches under my armpit.
Yeah.
It's like how white patches you get on the face. I got on the under the armpit and it's spreading. You know, I had one, now it's spreading everywhere like small spots.
Yeah.
What is that, doctor?
One more thing. Spreading means it is spreading regionally or it is spreading on other parts of the body?
No, under arms only, one spot.
Second thing, what is your occupation? What is your age?
I'm 45.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm an insurance agent.
Okay, so you have to travel in the sun or something like that?
No, nothing, not much. And most of the time I'm home only. When I get calls, I go here, there. And nothing, I don't take any medication, nothing. I don't use any ointments, lotions, nothing.
Okay, itching?
No itching is there. That's why I'm trying.
Any shaving or something you have tried, attempted?
Only under the arms I shave the hair.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
मोस्ट प्रोबेबली तो ये लग रहा है जैसे कि इनकी फंगल इन्फेक्शन है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एरिथ्रेज्मा, मेडिकल टर्म में कहते हैं. दैट कैन बी इजिली ट्रीटेड विद एंटी फंगल्स और एंटीबायोटिक क्रीम्स. और सेकेंड पॉसिबिलिटी, सिंस शी इज शेविंग, दैट कैन लीड टू हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन ऑफ द स्किन. सो शी हैज टू कंसल्ट अ डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट टू पॉइंट आउट द कॉज एंड अकॉर्डिंगली इट कैन बी ट्रीटेड इजिली. कुछ दिस नॉट अ वेरी बिग इशू.
Okay. I think since we have got no question right now, I have got a very important question here. Often dermatologist, or as you have rightly said, that people should use sunscreen. So, but only on the face. But suppose having the shortage of the sunlight on the face means that this thing, can it create any harmful effects? Means I'm saying because you are using sunscreen for a longer time.
Yeah, there was some study that vitamin D that is formed in the sun when you expose your skin to sunlight. लेकिन हमारे यहाँ पे तो इतना सन है, आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट प्रॉब्लम विल बी देयर. ओके. एंड सनस्क्रीन जो फेस एक्सपोज्ड एरियाज एवरीथिंग एवरीवेयर इट वुड बी यूज्ड. और ये भी हो सकता है कि डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट दे विल से यूज द सनस्क्रीन एंड ऑर्थोपेडिशियंस विल से
correct. Absolutely. Actually, I wanted to ask this question, but what about the vitamin D and means I'm
that is true.
But we have, as you rightly said, we have got abundance. So hopefully, and as you have seconding that, as you have, nobody applies every 4 hours only. As you have rightly said that nobody applies double lotion or double this thing. Okay. One more thing. I think we have got a question. We'll take this question. Hello. Yeah.
गुड इव्हनिंग डॉक्टर.
Good evening. Please ask your question.
हांव हॉस्पिटल उलयतां.
विचार.
म्हज्या केसाक मदींच म्हटल्यार एक पार्टाक अशे फूल धवे केस आयल्यात. सो त्या खातीर सोल्युशन कितें म्हणून दोतोरा विचारपाक सोदतालो.
नाही खंय म्हटलं तुवें धवे केस आयल्या?
मदींच कपलाक.
नाही मदी म्हणजे कशें अशें फक्त मदी एक लायन काय मदी म्हणजे स्पॅर सगळे?
ना एकूच कुडक्याक कशें.
Okay. I got it. एखाद्या म्हणजे जस्ट सांगता तुका म्हणजे okay. Let he is saying that he has got a small patch of gray hairs on the scalp. He has not mentioned his age and since there is shortage of time. What can be caused? And I may think of something else. Okay, you tell your answer.
हाँ, grey hairs. I am also thinking of one hereditary condition is there. इसमें कुछ pie, that's called piebaldism. उसमें एक tough hair होता है grey. That is hereditary.
Yeah.
और अगर age के accordingly होता है तो it can be in the form of tuft also, or it can be diffuse also.
Okay. And secondly, I don't know because I forgot to ask him where is the exact location, but he said at the center. Because I'm just saying, but sometimes people go to temple and whatever tirtha or this thing, maybe there what means. I'm not saying that one particular component, but maybe that if he has that habit, because our Hindu culture may have that habit, or if he has because he's saying only specific region in the front of this thing. But I think once patient sees a dermatologist like you, it will be surely treated. I'm optimistic. And I have got a last question for you. Now, no questions, please. How to keep your skin glowing, fresh like yours? How to keep our skin? Okay. Tips on the diet, overall management. Yes.
Okay. One is, first I will start with the diet. You should not take too much of sugar, too much of fried things. Take fresh fruits, eat plenty of water. And do exercise is that is also a must. Yoga, or if you are in a stressful job, you can do the de-stressing techniques. And
whatever you do, you tell us.
I keep myself happy.
Good.
Whatever the circumstances are.
Thank you very much, madam. You have really addressed today's session in a very beautiful and excellent way. I must congratulate you for a good job. Next week, आमचे बरोबर असतले Dr. Judith DaCosta, cancer surgeon. कॅन्सर विशय ह्यो फावटी आशिल्लो ते आमचे जे आसतले म्हणजे येवपी आसतले ती एक लेडी आसा त्या खातीर हांव अशें मागता स्पेशली बायलां खातीर की कॅन्सर विशया कडेन तुमचे संबंधीत ज्यो तक्रारी आसात जे तुमकां माहिती जाणून घेवपाची आसा तेमकां मुजत विचारपाक तयार रावात. येता त्या बुधवारा तो म्हणसर आयची कार्यावळ सोंपोवच्या पयलीं डॉक्टर विमी मोदी हांणी बरीचशी माहिती दिल्या ती चडांत चड तुमी आचरणांत हाडात. तांणी सांगलें बरें मातशें प्रसन्न रावा, आनंदी रावा, एक्सरसाइज करा, जंक फूड खावं नाकात, साखर चड खावं नाकात. Madam, chocolates?
Chocolates, aajkal they say dark chocolates are very good for heart.
Yeah, but what is available in Goan, I mean Indian market? Are they dark chocolate or
that you have to see and search.
Okay, madam, thank you very much. So nice of you. तुमका सगळ्यांक काळजान संदेव बरें करूं. नमस्कार.